Auto insurance terms you should know. In order to be successful and proficient in all business, it is very important that one familiarize himself with the terms of that particular field of interest or business he intend establishing. That is why knowing such terms will undoubtedly build you basic knowledge of your field of interest, and eventually lead to you success in it. Take a moment to review some of the terms associated with auto insurance quotes before going into it, as this will be very much helpful to you in your auto insurance policy success. Adjuster, also known as claim adjuster. This is an insurance company worker who is primarily responsible for investigating and settling all claims brought by claimants or insurance carriers resulting from a specific casualty. His responsibilities also include the evaluation and payment of the available or each claim to the policyholder. Payment of claims is usually carried out only after all proceedings are verified. The claim may as well depend on the active insurance or coverage policy available of the item. Accident. This is an unplanned, unforeseen, or unintended event beyond the control of an insured, resulting in the loss of property, for example, a car. The incurred loss can be compensated as a claim to the claimant by the carrier. The claim is based on what is observed and the actual cash value of the car or items involved. Auto insurance companies try in the best of their abilities to supply sustainable, efficient, quality, and affordable policy coverage to their policyholders. They also aim at increasing the savings of their insured to meet specific needs, for example building a big collection of policyholders. Actuary. This is a specialist who computes premiums and risks of insurance. They are duly involved in the calculation of loss reserving, life expectancy, and determining accident frequency. They serve as one of the key ingredients in an insurance company. They also primarily help in making profit and financial stability of carriers, insurance companies, which they serve, and involved in trends assessment as well as determining insurance prices. These specialists also have a share in managing the carrier's expenditure and the giving of claims to claimant on any needed basis. They help in ensuring that neither the carrier nor the insured suffer unnecessary loss. Accident frequency. This refers to the number of times there occur an accident. The frequency is calculated during the time of the insurance policy. The actuary normally computes the frequency of accidents to help determine possible losses. It should be noted that the phrase may not actually mean the number of times or frequency an accident really does occur, but the number of times an accident may occur due to the prediction of the actuary. Premiums can also be accurately and appropriately paid using this principle. Appraisal. It is a formally written document of the estimation of the value of property of the insured. This is done as against any future casualty resulting in the loss of property. When an appraisal is eventually damaged, it can be completed or replaced by the adjuster of the insurance company or sometimes a vehicle repair expert. Additional insured. It is an individual or organization who also has an auto insurance protection under the primary name Insured Auto policy. The protection may be extended from an auto leasing company to an individual who lends a car, to the primary insured. In the event of an accident, damage or collision, the leasing person or company has protection against the specific casualty caused by the name insured. Agent. He is a licensed insurance representative who sells insurance for an insurance company, negotiating and/or effecting insurance contracts. He serves as the middleman in providing quality insurance service to the policyholder. Insurance agents usually carry out their work on a commission basis, and in most cases they are non-exclusive or perhaps exclusive agents. Agreed price. This is the cost of repairs of damage to property as agreed upon by the adjuster and the corresponding representative of the body shop. Whenever an incurred loss occurs resulting in an accident to a car, the cost of repair agreed on will be used as a claim to the claimant. The cost neither increase nor decrease as the price for any resulting damage for the car has already been This is the value of the vehicle agreed on by the insured and the insurer, which will be paid out on the event of an accident or any other form of unforeseen damage. It is a policy available mainly for custom vehicles or collectible, which actual value remains the same over time without depreciating. Assigned risk plan. Auto insurance plan managed by the state and mostly for individuals and car owners who cannot afford to obtain or qualify for auto insurance or conventional liability coverage due to financial insufficiency or poor insurance record. They may be placed in residual market in order to get an insurance policy with carriers or insurer for a higher price. Their coverage is through the state. Remember, we are 100% committed to helping you get the best of auto insurance quotes for your auto insurance success. The blog Auto Insurance Market. Blogspot.com is designed to let you be proficient in the auto insurance field and to get the best auto insurance companies and quotes that you may find appealing. We commit ourselves to providing you with high quality information and reviews about auto insurance and quotes to fulfill your needs and make you get the best auto insurance policy for that car of yours. The Auto Insurance Market. Blogspot.com is completely committed to helping you customize the way and method of your learning about auto insurance and their various quotes. We help you learn and get an in-depth knowledge about auto insurance and compare quotes at your own convenient time. All you need to know about the auto insurance sphere are exactly what we deliver to you. We help you get the best quotes. Do you want to get the auto insurance coverage you desire? One basic way of accomplishing this is by learning the terms of auto insurance. Knowing the terms of auto insurance cannot be overemphasized. It is a key factor to your choosing the right insurance policy for your car. Take a fresh look at some of the interesting terms of auto insurance to better equip you for the booming industry. Here are some of them. Binder. Temporary agreement stating that the auto insurance policy is under effect but may not necessarily is. This agreement is based on the contract, both of the policyholder and the insurance company, which may not have taken into effect. When a policy cannot be endorsed immediately, the binder is used to protect the policyholder until the insurance policy has fully gone into effect. Bodily injury. This is an unexpected damage or injury to the body of the car driver and all passengers, pedestrians, etc. resulting from an accident, storm, wind, or any other form of casualty. Sometimes, this could be due to negligence on the part of the car driver. Proper care should be taken by car drivers when they are driving on the road. It could also be the result of negligence on the part of other drivers on the road. Having bodily injury liability coverage should be expected on the part of drivers. Bodily injury liability coverage. This is also auto insurance policy coverage for the policyholder in the event of car accidents causing bodily injuries for the driver and others involved, for example passengers and or pedestrians. In most cases, the coverage includes the income lost as a result of the accident, and even up to medical bills for the victims having the coverage. There are much benefits of having coverage of bodily injury. One major reason is the reduction of medical expenses. Normally, all medical expenses of an accident resulting in bodily injury are assumed to be the primary responsibility of the victim or his or her guardian. Coverage for bodily injury can be accessed based on the severity of injuries sustained during the course of the accident and the medical bills involved for such injuries. As already noted, injuries can be sustained by others not in the vehicle, for example pedestrian, which may result in a legal case against the driver. In this case, the coverage may also be used to cover the costs of any legal defense involved when the driver is actually found guilty for the injuries sustained by the victims other than him. Blue Book. This refers to the printed book or writing of auto insurance. It is primarily used for the purpose of determining the actual market value of fairly used cars and trucks that have auto insurance coverage. The value of the automobile or car as determined by the book is the same as that computed credited and indemnified to the policyholder for an accident resulting in the damage of the car or truck. The Blue Book often helps in keeping the right record and value of the insured car or truck. The book is always safely kept